Do you find ground-level pictures boring? Put down your tripod and unleash your inner Spielberg with the ultimate DJI drone showdown. In this video, I compare the top 6 DJI drones, from tiny spaceships to massive cinema machines, so you can find the ideal flying companion for every budget and skill level. I'll help you find your drone partner, regardless of your experience as a blogger. In the description below, I have included all the juicy links for you to get the best prices. So grab your pick now and get ready to take off by clicking the like button and subscribing for more awesome tech battles when the video comes out. Number 6. DJI Mini 2 SE Drone. Introducing the DJI Mini 2 SE, your path to exhilarating aerial adventures. Weighing less than 249 grams, it's your featherweight companion for amazing images on hikes, road trips, and more. It's simple to use, perfect for beginners, and has a return-to-home function that makes exploration worry-free. With a maximum flying length of 31 minutes, or an amazing 93 with our combo, you'll catch more and produce more. Using the DJI Fly app, you can quickly produce films of cinematic quality that can be shared on social media. You can fly farther with DJI OcuSync thanks to its 10 kilometers transmission range. A day with lots of wind? No problems. Control up to 38 kilometers per hour with ease. Don't forget to inspect the DJI RC-in-1 cable, lightning connector, on the remote control. Number 5. DJI Air 3 Drone. Introducing the DJI Air 3, your new accomplice in taking amazing pictures. This camera is revolutionary for trip photography with its 2 cameras and inventive focal length possibilities. With an amazing 46 minutes of flying duration, but due to battery tension, you can confidently navigate through woods and challenging areas since omnidirectional obstacle detection is present. With gorgeous 48MP photos, crop your photos like a pro and enjoy immersive 4K/60 FPS HDR films with brilliant colors. Up to 20 kilometers, the 6-antenna configuration guarantees a crisp live feed and a smooth flight. Invest in the DJI Air 3 Fly More combo, which comes with the sleek DJI RC2 and 3 intelligent flight batteries. Get even more out of your experience with DJI goggles and RC Motion 2 for an exhilarating first-person flight. For power on the go, don't forget to pick up the DJI 65-watt portable charger. Reimagine your airborne experience with the DJI Air 3, equipped with Vision Assist and Active Shots 360 degrees. It's time to update and unleash your inner artist. Number 4. DJI Fpv Drone. Introducing the DJI Fpv. It changes the game for immersive airborne experiences. Immerse yourself in the action with the DJI Fpv Goggles V2, which offer an incredibly smooth, real-time view of your flight with an ultra-wide 150 degrees field of vision. With up to 120 megabits per second 4K/60 frames per second video, you can record the thrill and breathtaking resolution and make every second of the trip exciting. With the all-new S mode, which combines manual flexibility with simple controls, entry into the exciting world of FPV is made simple. An auxiliary downlight, smart return to home, low battery RDH, and obstacle detecting are just a few of the features that put safety first. With the OcuSync 3.0 transmission system, you can stay connected and enjoy HD low-latency video transmission at distances of up to 6.2 miles in crystal clear real-time. Improve your FPV skills. DJI FPV is more than just a drone. It's an exciting experience that has to be fully explored. It's time to develop your flying skills. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Fly. Introducing the DJI Mini 3, which allows you to embark on an exhilarating voyage into the future of adventure and engage in gripping narrative. It weighs less than a gourmet burger, 249 grams, and is the ideal traveling companion for all of your excursions, be they strenuous hikes, last-minute road trips, or leisurely days at the beach. Discover your inner Steven Spielberg with 4K HDR footage that transforms every moment into a cinematic masterpiece by capturing the allure of the moon or the dance of highlights and shadows in a sunburst. The big reveal is that you can now effortlessly scale skyscrapers and waterfalls with true vertical shooting, which will make you look incredible on Instagram and TikTok. Your one-stop shop for incredible footage, Quick Shots turns every flight into a blockbuster. Blustery conditions? 38 kilometers per hour winds, level 5, are laughed at by the Mini 3, which guarantees that your shot will be as steady as your heartbeat. The combination? Yes, it's a symphony of additional intelligent flight batteries, a DJI RC equipped with a 5.5-inch HD display that serves as your director's chair on every flight, and a two-way charging hub. Are you feeling the desire for a longer haircut? The flying length is increased to 51 minutes with the optional Intelligent Flying Battery Plus, separately offered. The DJI Mini 3 will up your adventure game since it combines lightweight design with groundbreaking features. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Introducing the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a cutting-edge instrument for adventure and aerial photography. With its Hasselblad man camera, a 20MP 4/3 CMOS sensor that can shoot raw photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops, this 4K drone camera elevates the standard for your visuals. Honest flying and seamless registration are ensured by following FAA remote ID requirements. OPUS 5.0 and omnidirectional obstacle sensing put safety first and make every flight comfortable. The incredible 43-minute maximum flying time of the Mavic 3 Pro lets you fly farther without worrying about running out of battery juice. A solid signal can be received over an impressive 15 kilometers with the DJI 3 Plus transmission technology, and controlling this long-range drone is made simple by the lightweight design and 700 nit brightness of the DJI RC that comes with it. Your post-processing options are increased by the firmware upgrade, which adds vision assist and improved safety measures to the 70mm medium telecamera, which supports 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color modes. Number 1. The DJI Mini 4 Pro. Introducing the drone that's redefining freedom in the skies, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. With a weight of only 249 grams, this featherlight marvel makes it unnecessary for you to register, allowing you to go on impromptu travels without any fuss. Enjoy worry-free flying with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which is ideal for both inexperienced and experienced pilots. The drone skillfully identifies obstructions in all directions. With longer flying lengths, you can say goodbye to battery worry and enjoy continuous exploration of large areas. Experience the breathtaking beauty of in-the-moment aerial footage with lag-free images that enhance your drone experience while using a 20 km FHD video transmission. Take charge with the new Active Track 360 degrees, which simplifies complicated tracking trajectories for both novices and experts. The DJI Mini 4 Pro, DJI RC2 with a bright screen for accurate control, and a battery with a 34-minute flying duration are included in the bundle. Enjoy an even more thrilling FPV flight experience when you pair the DJI RC Motion 2 with the optional DJI Goggles 2 or DJI Goggles Integra, separately available. If you could share with us the drone you choose, that would be fantastic. Additionally, if you haven't liked the video and subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.